you doing?
What's in it, Kayla? What?
He wants you to push him.
Push ya. So I'm not giving you a little push.
River.
Look at mommy.
What do you say?
Where's mommy?
Hi. Hi. Ah. Yay.
Well, I'm glad you're a giggly puss sometimes.
No, you can't. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
He was doing that when he was pooping on the potty.
Yeah.
You know what would make a really pretty picture? The two of you standing on either side of that door.